Hello, this is Siddharth, and we're Team-6, work zone assets and lane closure detection. And we just wanted to document our final demonstration with a working semantic segmentation model along with loop closure. So during our previous presentation, we very quickly touched upon how we intended on using YOLO v7 for object detection of traffic cones. Since then, we've actually gone ahead and expanded upon this and actually trained a semantic segmentation model, which is what we're going to be showing you right now. So I'll just launch Carla here and run the ROS client to spawn the map and then spawn the vehicle with the sensor. First, I'm actually just going to run everything without any perception stack, so just the controller by itself with no perception. And we'll just see what happens. Oh, and this works in different lighting conditions and different weather conditions. So in this case, I've just decided to show what happens during night. Yeah, I guess, yeah, the car just crashes. That's to be expected. There's no perception. So I'm going to stop that and then just reload the ROS client. Okay, as we see, we're back to the same map. Now, instead of running the Stanley controller, we're going to first run the semantic segmentation model, which will essentially launch a OpenCV window alongside the ROS simulation. I meant like the Carla simulation. So this is the front of the car, and that's what it's seeing. We will now run the actual Stanley controller and see what happens. So we'll zoom out a little bit from here and just let the controller take over. Yep, so we used a pre-trained model, which is why it is also picking up stop signs and other road signs. But yeah, ultimately we trained it over those semantic, those like work zone artifacts, and as you can see, it detected it and then shifted over to the other lane. So that works. We're able to close the loop on this. What I wanted to very quickly demonstrate next was how this controller performs in different lighting conditions. So I'm going to go over the code here to where I have the weather controls. So currently we're looking at, let me take a quick look at this here. So we're currently looking at hard rain night. I want to maybe look at cloudy noon or cloudy sunset. So that is 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, hopefully that's right. Just going to do a build here. And going to relaunch the client. Right. Then I'm going to launch the camera, the perception node. Okay. And I'm going to then launch the controller itself. So this is a slightly different condition. Yeah, as we can see, we're still able to detect those work zone artifacts fairly well. Yep. And our vehicle is able to swerve to avoid the work zone area. Yeah, and I guess that was about it.